some survivors. This is your candidate number 5, Jensine Morza, 21, all the way from Subic Bay. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Queen Marie Tivana, 16, Santa Ana, Manila.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Anne Reyes, 23 years old, from Malate, Manila.
Good evening, each and everyone. I'm Chantel Tan, 23, from Cainta, Rizal.
Hi, I'm Margaret Pacheco, 18 years of age, from Bulacan. Ngayon may mahuyaw, 16 years of age, from Tabang, Laritel, Bulacan.
Good evening to everyone. This is Tresha Marie Dedea, 19, all the way from the city of Mandaluyong.
Hi, I'm Lester Ramos, 22, Mandaluyong City.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Margarita Francesca Ramirez Cruz, 18 years of age, representing Caloocan City.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Luis Morales, 19, from Cavite, your candidate number 14.
I'm Pichi, 24, San Mateo.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm April Grace Lopeño, 19 years old, proudly representing Paranaque. Good evening, everyone. My name is Maria Janine Penalista, 18, from Angeles, Pampanga. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christy Grace Harold Alvaro, 17 years of age, and I'm living at Antipolo City. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Savannah Florentino,